Hello, thanks for joining us in this demo by Infogain. This is Rakesh Goyal. I'm customer experience evangelist at Infogain. We at Infogain have developed this application for enterprises to make use of modern set of technologies to deliver customer service. This application primarily uses Oracle set of technologies on the back end, and on the front end it makes use of mobile devices. Here's a quick demo of the application. The application is accessed over here by using customer experience icon. Here's the application. It has primarily two parts. One is a dashboard, and then the other parts of the functionality are provided through these menu items. Let's look at the dashboard first. When a user has a problem, first the user might like to try to find solution to their problem by searching for solution in multiple ways. The first way this application provides user to search the solution is by accessing common set of problems that users face through this troubleshoot menu over here. This gives the common set of problems. Users may select the problem that they have and then walk through the situation that they are facing by selecting items in the subsequent form here, and finally lead to the solution to their problem. If they don't find a solution to this mechanism, they might like to use quick how-to videos that are provided by the enterprise by clicking on how-to videos icon. This gives access to the repository which has quick how-to videos, which might be user manuals, or it may be diagnostic videos, or it may be the installation manuals. And these can be searched through a search bar on the top and then can be played directly through this part of the application. The third way the user might like to use is to get an access to the knowledge base to search for the solution. That access is provided using Ask Me, and this leads to the knowledge management system where user can put in their question in the search bar and get a relevant answer. And finally, the user might like to participate in a customer community or a forum and ask the question that they have into that forum, and that access is provided using collaborate with peers part of the functionality. This gives access to the forum or customer community. This also has a search bar where user can put in their problem and find the relevant discussions, or they can also create new discussion threads using this plus icon. If the user is not able to find solution to their problems through any of these mechanisms, they might like to contact the organization by using get support functionality, and this allows users to either start a chat session or create an email for the problem, or directly use the mobile device to call support, or schedule a callback so that they don't have to keep holding onto the phone. Let's look at one of these schedule callback, and this gives this access where user can define within how many minutes or hours they would like to have a callback from the enterprise. We also have an offers icon here, which gives user access to the offers that the provider has given to them as a loyal customer, and user can search through the relevant offers and get details of the offer. The other functionality that is provided in this application is my account, where user can search for their the product or service that they have already bought. They can look at the cases that they have created in the past They can look at the repairs that they have scheduled, as well as they can look at the contracts that they have bought from the organization, and if they need to renew any of the contracts. The user can also look at other products that the organization or enterprise offers using product catalog, and this gives access to manuals and video tutorials, and also user can download the relevant information about the product before making a decision to buy a product. They can look at the service centers which are available where users might take to get repairs done, and this part of the functionality provides location of all the service centers. Blue icon is users location and red is the service centers, and the list of service centers is provided using this icon here, and user can find out what is convenient for them. There's a my messages area where user gets all the messages that enterprise wants to deliver to them, either because user has initiated a case, or there is an acknowledgement of receiving the case, or uh, organization wants to update the user with the cases that they have created and what's the progress being made on those cases. There is a add product functionality where user can uh, add the product or service that they have recently bought. They can just scan the 3D barcode that comes with the product, and once they scan that, that particular product will come into users portfolio, and it will show up in users my account. There's a create case that user can create quickly a case, support case, using create case icon. Here the user has to enter description and create the case. There is a case analytics feature provided. This is primarily important for uh, customers who are businesses, like in a B2B case, where if customer has been buying a lot of products or from an organization, and they're creating number of cases over the past 2, 3, 4 quarters, they will like to know how the enterprise is making progress on those cases, how many have been closed and how many are open, and that access is provided by case analytics, and the user can look at quarter by quarter in the past 3, 4 quarters how many cases have been created, how many have been closed, and how many are open. This is this is the overall functionality of the application. Thanks for joining us.